Hello everyone and welcome back to my HTML series. HTML entities are a way of using some reserved HTML keywords or symbols as normal and renderable text. For example, if I wanted to render something like this, though it will get rendered, this is certainly not the right way to render this text over here. The reason being, this symbol that you see over here, it is a reserved symbol. You see multiple occurrences of this symbol even in our boilerplate code. Every tag will have this angled bracket. So the question is, what is the right way to add this? Well, there's a way how I can write it. Ampersand and semicolon, and in between these two I can use GT, which is standing for greater than. Similarly, I can also say 3 ampersand LT, which is less than 5, or let's say 4 less than 5. There are multiple HTML entities like this. We can also use, let's say, you would have seen somewhere written something like, okay, 1900, and I want to put up copyright. So copyright would be something like this, ampersand copy. That would give me the copyright symbol. Similarly, if I have to print the ampersand in itself, so this again, doing this is not the right way to do it. How I should be doing it? I will use this HTML entities notation. I will say ampersand and then I will say AMP. That is how I should be printing my ampersand character. Similarly, if I have to add spaces, so for example, if you see text 1, I put up a space and say text 2. Now if this will print exactly one space in between them. But here, if I wanted to print more than one space, let's say I wanted to print 4 spaces. So 1 is already there. I wanted to print 3 more spaces. If I do something like this here, 1, 2, 3, this will still give me just one space in between. So if I have to print 3 spaces, one space is already there by default. Again, what I'll do is I will put up an ampersand and I will say NBSP, which stands for non-breaking space. Now this one will print me 3 spaces. One space is this one. Second space will come from this NBSP, and the third space will again be this one. So 3 spaces in between. If I wanted 4 spaces or 5 spaces, let's say, I'll put up one space here and I can say again NBSP that you see over here. And now I can say 1, this is the second space, third, fourth, and the 5th space in between. So let's see that in the output. Now if you see, the symbol of greater than, less than has been printed. Copyright, this is your actual ampersand, and there you see. Remember here what we have mentioned, we have given 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces in between, but if you see on the browser, there is just one space in between both of them. But if you see this too, for this what we did, we have mentioned 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 spaces. So here now if you see, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 spaces in between. So apart from this, there are a lot of other HTML entities which would be like double quotation mark or single quotation mark, currency symbols like cents, pounds, dollars, euros, registered trademark. Registered trademark would be, let me show that to you. That will be reg. And let me show you some euro also. So percent euro. So if you see that, this is how it comes up, right? So for reg and euro, these are your symbols, registered trademark symbol and the euro symbol. There are a lot of trademarks, HTML entities like this. You can always refer MDN references for having an exhaustive list.